My name is Ivy, and I'm currently a business and technology operations intern for SimpliSmart. I usually typically just work on like the computers, and the projects I'm working on right now is automating that whole process and making sure like you don't have to like manually email each other. And like once you check off like the box for like completing a task, it automatically sends like an email to the HR team, and then you also get like an email back for the next task. I actually never learned like automations. I even knew what like the things that we use like Power Automate. Like I never knew what that was like until I landed like this internship, and then I guess I did like a little like bit of training. It's like a whole field, like career field that you could go into that I didn't know about. I was like considering like, oh, maybe I should like switch fields or like potentially go into this field with like the experiences that I've learned in this internship that I didn't learn about in school. So I didn't really know that much about like automations or like AI driven automations. I feel like using AI to do automation is very much something that's modern, I guess. It's like something that you kind of have to know about, especially now that like AI is such a word that's like being used, like thrown around right now. I think it's something that you should definitely learn about, especially since AI is so popular right now. It's actually what you need to rely on in the future. I feel like it's gonna be something that's gonna be integrated a lot with our jobs. So I think it's gonna be very helpful in the future. I didn't know a lot about like tech jobs at Indy before Xtern, but now that I'm in Xtern, I feel like there's so many like opportunities and like these tech companies in Indy that I never even knew about before.